Picture this. You're standing at the base of a towering ladder, each rung representing a step towards financial freedom. The climb may seem daunting, but with every step you're getting closer to the summit of financial independence. It's about breaking free from the shackles of financial stress and living life on your own terms. As we climb higher, we reach financial stability, where your basic needs are comfortably met. Keep ascending, and you'll find yourself at financial independence, where work becomes a choice, not a necessity. And at the very top, early retirement, the ultimate freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints. It's about waking up every morning knowing that your money works for you, not the other way around. Whether it's rental properties or real estate investment trusts, these sturdy trees can provide steady income through all seasons. Those seeds are your savings. Every dollar you save is a seed planted for your future financial freedom. It might not seem like much at first, but with time and the magic of compound interest, those seeds will sprout into a lush financial landscape. It's like training for a marathon. You can't just run once and expect to finish the race. Start seeing money not as something to spend, but as a tool to build your future. Embrace delayed gratification, the ability to resist the temptation of an immediate reward in favor of a later, more enduring reward. It's like planting an acorn instead of eating it. Short-term sacrifice for long-term gain. It's about building habits that support your financial health, just like you build habits to support your physical health. It takes consistent effort, day after day, month after month, year after year. Maybe it's setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account each payday. The world of finance is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making smart decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops. Treat your financial education as an investment in itself. A life where you control your time, your energy, and your future. That's the power of financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. What will yours be? Will you start that side hustle you've been dreaming about? Each rung is a step towards the life you've always imagined. The climb may be challenging, but the view from the top is worth every effort. Open that investment account. Create a budget to track your spending. Everyone's journey is different, and comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your own progress, celebrate your wins, and learn from your setbacks. Or it could be learning to cook at home more often instead of eating out. Each small step is a rung on that ladder to financial freedom. Set clear goals, track your progress, and celebrate the small victories along the way. It's simple math, but it's powerful. They can help you create a personalized roadmap to financial freedom based on your unique situation and goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across different asset classes. Perhaps it's the ability to spend more time with your loved ones, creating precious memories without the constant worry of work. Put it somewhere, you'll see it every day. Let it be a constant reminder of why you're on this journey. When temptation strikes to splurge on something unnecessary, look at that board and ask yourself, is this bringing me closer to or further from my vision of financial freedom? Or it could be the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can weather any financial storm. What's your first move towards financial freedom? The choice is yours, and the time is now. Let's climb that ladder together, one rung at a time, towards a future of financial freedom and endless possibilities. And remember, the stock market is like the weather. It'll have its sunny days and storms, but over time, it tends to grow. When the money flowing into your life without your daily effort exceeds what flows out, you've cracked the code to financial freedom. This, my friends, is the journey to true financial freedom. But what does financial freedom really mean? It's not just about having a fat bank account or a fancy car. They take time to grow, but their roots run deep and their branches spread wide. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds. These are the leaves that rustle with the winds of the market, potentially showering you with dividends and capital gains. At the bottom, we have being debt-free. Imagine the weight lifted off your shoulders when you no longer owe anyone a dime. Now, here's the secret sauce, the core formula that makes it all possible. Passive income greater than expenses. So, how do we build these magical income streams? Think of it like planting a money tree forest. Each tree is a different source of income. You might start with a side hustle. Maybe it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering your expertise as a consultant. These are like fast-growing saplings providing quick returns. Then, we have investments, the mighty oaks of your financial forest. And let's not forget real estate, the evergreen pines of passive income. But here's the thing, you can't grow a forest overnight. It takes patience, nurturing, and most importantly, seeds. Investing those savings wisely is crucial. Diversify your portfolio like you're creating a balanced ecosystem. Now, sticking to the plan. That's where the real challenge lies. But here's the secret weapon in your financial freedom arsenal. Mindset shifts. What does it look like to you? Maybe it's the freedom to travel the world, ticking off bucket list destinations one by one. Create a vision board, a collage of images that represent your financial freedom goals. Remember, financial freedom is not about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about making consistent, intentional choices that align with your long-term goals. Start small. Educate yourself continuously. And don't be afraid to seek help. Just as you'd consult a doctor for your health, consider working with a financial advisor to guide you on your journey. As you climb that financial freedom ladder, remember that it's not a race. Imagine reaching the top of that ladder. The view is breathtaking, a life free from financial worry, full of choices and opportunities. So, my friend, are you ready to start your climb? The ladder is before you, sturdy and waiting. Start your journey today. Take that first step. Your future self will thank you.